light shine bright. There's a place I go.
Hello everybody, I'd like to show you a beautiful case. This is called a heavy grinder. This is called a bruxism case. This is called a case with worn down teeth. And this gentleman is a dentist. And he's a dentist who works really hard. He's a dentist who is very challenged by his patients who are giving him a hard time. He's a dentist who works long hours. And he's a dentist who is grinding his teeth just like everybody else. Now, what do you see here? Why is this case off? His teeth are too short. And he almost has a reverse smile. Like, your smile is supposed to be a positive smile following the contours of your lower lip. That means your front teeth have to be longer, your side teeth have to be shorter. Look at this. It's all uneven. It's all a mismatch. And your front teeth have to be barely touching your lower teeth. Look how much shorter they are. That's 2.25 millimeters. 2.25 millimeters. This is too short. Your proportions are not right. What you see is a box. You see a width and a length, and there's almost like a square box. Teeth are not looking like a box. Teeth look rectangular. They have to be longer. So, what are we looking at? We have to make longer teeth. They have to barely touch your lower lip, millimeter short, ideally. He's showing too many teeth on the bottom. All worn down. Reverse smile, very square from grinding. And this dentist definitely deserves a nice smile to show his patients what cosmetic dentistry can do for you. Watch this. And by the way, look at this. This is all dentin exposed from grinding. Not a cavity, not a hole, not a chip, just from heavy grinding. Where's this cusp? Where is the canine cusp? Gone. This dentist deserves a new smile, and it's done in our office by another dentist, and it makes him 10 years younger. Watch this transformation. There we go. Unfortunately, my assistant took this photo a little bit out of focus, but you can see it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this case. Much longer. Look at the smile. Look at the canine. Look at the back teeth. You know, in general, this is a beautiful veneer case. Front teeth are longer, side teeth are shorter. It follows the contour of your lower lip, just like it's supposed to be. Unbelievable, from here to here. Thank you for watching. This is a beautiful veneer case. It's done in Emax, high translucency, and with texture, halo, and warm gingiva. So at the gum line, the veneers are a little bit warmer, just like natural teeth are. Thank you for watching.
Wear my smile proudly is what I do.